फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट बनाने की पूरी कैपेबिलिटी निश्चित रूप से हम खड़ी करेंगे। आज हम 5th जनरेशन एयरक्राफ्ट बनाने की दिशा में भी आगे कदम बढ़ा चुके हैं। हम एयरक्राफ्ट का इंजन भी भारत में ही बनाने की तरफ बढ़ चुके हैं। हम लोग फ्रेंच कंपनी सेफ्रॉन के साथ इंजन मेकिंग का काम भारत में शुरू करने जा रहे हैं।
India has taken a very big step towards becoming self-reliant in the defense technology. Our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has announced that India will now work with the French company Safran to develop and manufacture powerful jet engines for our future fighter aircrafts. The Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft or AMCA, this engine will produce 120 kN thrust, which is necessary for 5th generation stealth fighter jets. Now the most important part of this deal is that Safran will give India complete technology transfer. This means we will not just assemble the engines here, but actually learn how to design, test and manufacture them fully in India. For many years, America has refused to share this kind of critical engine technology with us. They always kept restrictions because they wanted India to remain dependent on them. But France has broken the barrier by agreeing to co-develop and share know-how with us. This deal ensures that the engines will be made in India, tested in India and certified in India without any export restrictions. It is a huge win for our Make in India initiative. This is not just about one fighter jet engine. It is about India becoming a hub of aerospace technology in the future. Imagine that tomorrow India could not only build engines for its own aircraft but also export them to the friendly nations. With this, India is sending a clear message to the world. We are no longer dependent on anyone, not even America. For our most advanced defense technologies, we are ready to rise as a global power on our own terms with our own strength.